Hello there, Caleb. This is Papa Michael. This is the Lego truck that I put together for you. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so you and I are going to take a ride in the truck. We're in Colorado right now, and it's really cold outside. So we had to go to the forest to chop some wood for the fire, because we had to bring firewood back so we wouldn't be cold. Let's load up the truck with firewood. Take down the tailgate. Load it up with the firewood that we chopped. It's going to be a very heavy load, but it's very important because it's going to be cold tonight. The weather says that there's a snowstorm coming, and it's going to be 13 degrees below zero. So let's get home fast with the firewood, Caleb. All right, put your seatbelt on. Let's go. Caleb, I see some snow clouds in the distance. I'm kind of worried. We're going to have to get home into the garage before the snow starts. Come on, Caleb. We have to get through the field, past the horses, into the garage before the snow starts. Caleb, I'm getting really worried. It's starting to snow. Caleb, we have to get to the garage, quick. We have to pull in before the snow gets really, really heavy. Come on, Caleb. Let's do it. Let's get in the garage.